There is a new study out of Europe, May 2025. It wasn't about a fancy new drug. It was about a molecule you already have inside you. After just 19 weeks, participants reversed their biological age by over 3 years. Now that doesn't mean they literally became younger. It means key biological aging markers shifted dramatically in a favorable direction. This isn't science fiction. This is longevity science in 2026. I'm Dr. Matt Mason, chiropractor, acupuncturist, and functional medicine practitioner. And let's be honest, the supplement industry is a swamp, a multi-billion-dollar swamp of misinformation. Most of it ends up in your expensive urine. So today I'm filtering the noise. I pulled data from the Harvard Cosmos trial, the Talents trial, and the latest NAD plus research. We are separating the proven longevity all-stars from the scams. Here's the 2026 longevity blueprint. We start with the basics, the stuff your grandma took, the multivitamin. For years, we asked the wrong question. Do I feel less tired? But in March 2025, we got a definitive answer, the Cosmos trial. Harvard researchers published in American Heart Association journals. Over 950 older adults. They didn't ask the silly question, well, how do you feel? They measured epigenetic clocks. Think of it this way, the clocks are your body's biological speedometer. It compares your biological age to your birthday age. The result? After 2 years, the multivitamin group aged slower, about 10 to 20% slower than the placebo. Why? Well, not magic, maintenance. If your body lacks zinc or vitamin D, your DNA repair crew shows up, but they have no tools. A multivitamin gives them the toolbox. And slower aging isn't abstract. It means more years with energy, memory, and independence. So if you buy one, look for methylated B vitamins, methylfolate, not folic acid. That's premium fuel for aging engines. Now we go deeper into the mitochondria, your cellular power plants. As we age, NAD plus levels decline. By middle age, they can drop by 50%. And this is linked to many aspects of aging. Power output drops. DNA repair slows. That's where NMN comes in. NMN boosts NAD+. This restores energy and also repairs DNA. But I promised you a new player. That 3-year reversal, it wasn't NMN, it was nucleotides. Nucleotides are the literal building blocks of your DNA. The Talents trial gave adults aged 60 to 70 a nucleotide supplement for 19 weeks. The placebo group aged 19 weeks. The nucleotide group reversed their biological age by over 3 years. 3 years younger in less than 5 months. They also improved their insulin sensitivity. Again, not literal age reversal, but their DNA methylation markers shifted toward a younger biological profile. Impressive. This is the frontier. Not just living longer, but living younger. But here's the catch. None of this matters if you're taking the wrong forms or the wrong doses, because some longevity supplements can actually backfire. So let's talk about the ones that actually deliver. If you still think creatine is just for bodybuilders and tank tops, you're missing one of the most researched longevity supplements we have. In 2026, creatine is the #1 supplement I recommend to adults over 40, especially women. Research shows benefits for brain processing speed, bone density, and mood. It helps your brain fire faster and protects against cognitive decline. Creatine isn't just a muscle supplement, it's a brain energy supplement that also supports muscle. And if you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there, this one's for you. Now, let's layer in nootropics. Lion's mane mushroom stimulates nerve growth factor. It helps the brain grow new connections. Rhodiola rosea is an adaptogen. It helps your body physically handle stress without crashing. So if you want to stay sharp, 5 grams of creatine daily, and cycle lion's mane for mental clarity. Aging isn't just about how you feel, it's about how you look. And one hidden accelerator is glycation. Glycation is when sugar attacks your collagen. It makes your skin stiff, wrinkled, dull. A recent NIH-backed trial tested rosemary extract. After 12 weeks, the rosemary group had significantly less skin roughness and dullness. Compounds in rosemary, especially rosmarinic acid, act like Pac-Man, breaking those sugar collagen crosslinks. And finally, protect the batteries. MitoQ, a mitochondria-targeted antioxidant. A 2025 study showed frail adults regained physical function. Targeted antioxidants are the future. The future of longevity isn't just living longer. It's repairing the damage of aging at every level: DNA, energy, brain, and skin. But remember, none of these reverse aging if your sleep, stress, and diet are broken. Supplements amplify health. They don't replace it. If this helped you cut through the noise, hit like and subscribe if you want evidence-based strategies to stay healthier longer. I'll see you in the next one.